Hey guys, I was craving Chicken Republic's chicken pie so bad. So I went into my lab, aka my kitchen, to work on it. Here are the ingredients you will need. For the chicken pie filling, you will need minced chicken, Nigerian curry powder, thyme, salt, vegetable oil, white onion, that's what they use, Irish potatoes, carrot, you only need a tiny piece, and Knorr cubes, the chicken flavor. For the chicken pie crust, you will need plain flour, whole milk or water, baking powder, margarine and salt. And then one ornamental ingredient, egg. First, we marinate the minced chicken with the seasoning. Stock cubes, thyme, salt, and some of the curry powder. Mix till the ingredients are combined. Then cover and place in the fridge to marinate for 20 minutes. While that is chilling, we prepare the rest of the ingredients for the filling. Peel, rinse and cut the Irish potatoes into medium cubes. Dice the onion. Then scrape and grate the carrot like this. I'm using the big holes on the grater. Cook the Irish potatoes. Note when it boils and leave it to boil for 5 more minutes. Then decant the water and set aside. By now, the chicken would have been in the fridge for 20 minutes, so we make the filling. Add 1 pump of vegetable oil. When it heats up, add the onions. Stir for a bit. And add the marinated minced chicken. Stir vigorously till the chicken is pale. Stirring constantly is very important so that you have tiny pieces and not clumps of chicken when you are done. Add a small quantity of water and the remaining curry powder. Add the boiled potatoes and the carrot. They may have other secret ingredients they add at this point, but I don't know about that. Cover and leave to simmer. This is the thickener. It's a mixture of 1 teaspoon of flour and some water. When the pot boils again, add the thickener. And add some salt if necessary. That's it for the filling. Set it aside to cool down completely. Then we go to the dough. Sift the flour into a big enough bowl. Add the baking powder, salt, add the margarine in small scoops. Mix by hand till it feels like crumbs. Add the milk bit by bit and mix. I used at most 1 glass of milk, but don't stick to that. The aim is to, in the end, get a soft ball of dough that is not sticky. That's all you need to bear in mind. I normally use water to mix my meat pie dough or chicken pie dough, but you guys keep asking if you can use milk. All of you that are always looking for nutrients where there is none, you often say, "Oh, that is just flour and water. It has no nutritional value." So yes, I decided to make all you nutrient hunters happy by using milk for this chicken pie dough. So yes, you can use milk. It does not ruin the recipe. This is whole milk though, not evaporated milk. So are you happy now? Huh? So when you are done, you will have this ball of dough that is soft but not sticky. Cover it and leave to rest for about 10 minutes. Then knead again. You will notice that the dough is smoother. Before we fill the chicken pies, line your oven tray with a baking sheet and set aside. If you do not have baking sheet, rub margarine all over the oven tray. I'm going to try and be fancy here and use this pie cutter filler or whatever it's called. I must say that this is the most awkward utensil to use. So I will attempt to use it. If it deals with me as always, I will go back to my usual pot cover style. Roll out the dough. According to the instructions, you're supposed to cut with this side. Then place it on this side. But you see, the dough has shrunk and there's no way you can feel this and close it without any dramas. Anyway, let's just continue so you'll see for yourself. That's the egg. Rub it on the inside of the dough. Close and press tight. You see? That's why I don't do fancy. By now I would have filled and closed 3 chicken pies with my pot cover and fork squad. Okay, let's try it this way. Doesn't work either. So my fork saves the day. Moving on with my old school technique. Okay, let me just give this thing one last chance to prove itself. I'll be using this pot cover, which is wider than the cutter. You'll see what I'll do. Use the pot cover to cut. And it shrank to the correct size to match. Fill, rub egg, and close. And it works! Woohoo! But nobody has got time for all this, I tell you. Perfect. Here we are, after some love-hate relationship with that cutter filler. I filled and closed these ones the old school way. Rub the egg on them so they will be shiny when brown. Then bake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius till brown. With my oven, this takes 40 minutes. Your own time may vary because no two ovens are the same, so keep an eye on it. That's it! They are mostly intact, save for this one that opened up. And here's what the inside looks like. Yummy! Bye bye! See you soon!